Miyabe-yabe la rin kapamilya, kakaluguran na pong kapagobra na ning business leader ay Jesnick daw, king Laos Group Event Center, Ciudad San Fernando, Pampanga, niyang Sabado, April 20, bang pagselebran in kayang 70th birthday. Inik daw ang kasalungsungan chairman na ni Pampanga Chamber of Commerce and Industry Incorporated o PAMCHAM. Mikitemba yung gratitude and grace, celebrating 7 decades of God's faithfulness in the life of Jesnick daw ay may sabing okasyon.
Well, this is more of Thanksgiving. Pasalamat ko keng hanggang binyanan ng apong ginukana ako. Ampong pasalamat ko rin akabisang keng ing sakit, ampong problema ngayon mga labas. So this is really niya pining tema na ning kaya kaming celebration is grace and gratitude. Graces for everything that God has given me, and gratitude for everything.
Aparte kay pasasalamat, nasana mo naman makasahop ng okasyon. Nego yung ating mong fundraising activity birthday celebration para kay Mother of Good Counsel Seminary ang pong Kapampangan Development Foundation.
I think that's everybody's obligation, whether you're a businessman or nano pa yung obra mo. I think you have to give something of yourself, something of what you have, para kayong guy, para kayong kareng mangailangan, kareng kalulu, ampong kareng organisasyon ang mangailangan sa ako.
Payabot na naman din kakaluguran ng Nick daw in karelang greetings para kaya.
Of course, the best greetings is to have a good health, long life, happy, and memorable life.
You have done a lot, and you have touched so many lives, and I'm one of them. And thank you for your very nice accommodation, and you have given me all the necessary advices. You are one of my best mentors, and I think your 70th, it's really aptly titled Gratitude and Grace.
Yakupin kaya kayong talasuyo, JM De Jesus, ating pusong makabalen.